Hello everyone, I am Akash Patel from Team 24/7 and this is my individual progress report for Sprint 1 and 2. One of the user story for Sprint 1 was as a player, I want to select the arrows so that I can navigate around the dungeon. So the process of implementing this user story is as follows. This user story implementation was achieved using the association and inheritance relationship between several classes. There is an association relationship between the base object and the actor class, and inheritance between the player class and the actor class. So it starts with superclass base object, which holds the basic information needed by all child classes, such as the icon and the x and y possession, which has several getters and setters, such as the get icon and get and set x and y position for the object, which then the player class inherits the information from the actor class, such as the player's icon and the x and y position. And for the movement, which deals with this user story, the movement was achieved using the enum direction class, which was implemented for the left, right, up and down movement using 4 image buttons, and the input of each was processed using the on-click method, where the player's possession was adjusted depending on which button was clicked. The player has the method to implement that. And the second user story for the sprint one was, as a player, I want to travel onto a stair so that I can move to a different floor. This user story implementation also deals with inheritance relationship between the tile class and the stair class. Stair class inherits the information from the tile class, such as the icon of the tile and whether the tile is passable or not, such as if the tile is wall, then the player cannot move past the wall. So the stairs has several methods to check whether it's a stair or not, such as is stairs and set stair and get icon. So is stair and set stairs method were used in the game board class, which uses canvas to display game objects onto the screen. So on the draw method of the canvas, using the isStairs method from the stairs class, it is checked whether the tile is there or not, and if the tile is there, then the player is moved onto a different floor, generated using the factory design pattern, which will be discussed by another team member of my team. And my user story for sprint 2 was, as a player, I want to see a health indicator so that I know how much health my character has. This user story's implementation was achieved using a strong inheritance relationship between the actor class and the player class. Since the actor class holds all the functions needed by the player to set the player's several features, such as the player's level, player's current health, and the player's experience. So the player class inherits all the information from the actor, and the player inherits all these getters and setters that are located in the actor class. So for this user story, only the health related getters and setters were used, such as get current health, set current health, get max health, and get percent health to control the health of the player. A trap tile was used to test this process, and the trap tile was implemented similarly like the stair tile discussed earlier. So every time a player stepped on the trap tile, the player's health was reduced by certain points, which would adjust the value of the percent get percent health function, which is displayed here, which is calculated in this manner: get current health divided by get max health times 100. So changing the get current health value would change the get percent health overall value. So to visually display the health, this changes to the health bar. A progress bar was used to reflect these changes in player's health. And the get percent health, this function was called in the progress bar set progress method to adjust the progress and accurately reflect the health bar that the player has. And that concludes my individual progress for sprint 1 and 2. Thank you for watching.